Are you not coming to work?
No, I was here before and I was here.
Hey, huh? Why are you lying? Are you not coming to work?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. No, but yes. Yes, I'm not.
Do you think I built this hotel for you and your family?
No.
Huh? Listen to me. You've been doing this, and I've heard a lot of rumors about you. Let this be your first and last. The next time I see you being late,
out. Yeah.
I'll fire you. Yes. Do you understand?
Yeah.
What sort of nonsense is that?
Sorry. I'm sorry.
You are late and you are coming, you're making a phone call laughing. Are you serious?
No, I'm not. I'm not serious at all. I'm not.
I trust you, man. I trust you. Let me call you back, okay? Yeah, I'm at the reception, so let me call you back.
Yeah.
Gang, bad man. Yeah, hello, sweetie.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. I'm very exhausted. I'm very.
Yeah.
Very.
Yeah. But nice place.
Yeah, sure. Luxury room, like, comfortable room. You feel me? Yeah.
We have it.
I want to relax.
Yeah, we have it.
Okay, so like, the payment method and everything, how much?
A day. Are you spending one day?
Yeah, I'm spending only a night, a day, yeah.
Okay, 600.
No wash. I have no wash, okay. I'm going to send everything to you.
I'm having only 2 rooms right now.
I want the one like that, as you can chill to the fullest, you feel me?
Okay, then I'll take you to room 4.
Room 4?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Please, allow me to help.
Alright, okay. Gang. Sorry, don't worry. Thank you very much.
Are you okay?
I'm very okay. I really love the AC. It's chilled,
Please enjoy yourself.
All right. Anything I'll call you. I'll give you a call.
Okay.
One by one. I can't call this my guy. He's really good. I can't come and see you. Come. Yo, Odogu Dani. Ala, Odogu Dani. Dani Odogu. Time I beg, I can't land. I my bedroom say crew. I did some apartment be like that. Like I forgot the name. A day Sokoma in road. You wouldn't like if I get the name, I go send the live location. I beg. The reason why I call you no cry I beg my guy. You say you get some big nyash like that, like some big auntie's booty like that. We would take that me. Me can you me give your class and you pay you bro. Achama, no excuses, I beg. Call him now, you would be why? I make a shower so they can rest then. You would be why? Alright. This is not so here, no help me. Like I call your woman, make them bring me different soaps. So now with them, I'm ready to come. Hello dear.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
Oh, good.
Here you
Okay. Oh, nice. You can put it. Don't worry. Good.
are. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey. What did I just say? Akbar. Oh, Akbar. Hi, Ngema. Oh, zakula. Akbar, man. How kula. Nah, me I dey like us. I dey like Nyash. The whole Ghana me I dey like Nyash. But this kind of Nyash I don't see some before.
But I'm about to call. Thank you.
Yakula.
Yeah, hello.
Please, can you call me back again? Okay, there's something I wanted to do for you right now.
Please, something like what?
Since I want to change my best person, please call me back for me, okay? Call me back, please.
Okay. Okay, she'll be there. Gynel, baby. Gynel. Gynel.
Yes, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Please, is everything okay?
He called again. He said you should come.
Should come.
Yeah. He needed something from you, so. Okay.
Hey, hello dear. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Alright, okay. Feel free. I just want to you to change my best friend for me. I want to change it for me. It seems like I don't feel it. I don't like it. It's not
Oh,
where I
boss,
am.
please, we've already changed this bed sheets just this morning before you walked in.
Sure.
So, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if I can do something else for you.
I wanted you to. It seems like it's not straight. I wanted you to.
Oh, okay. Let me fix it. Sorry. Okay.
Good. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Good.
But should I take this to the
Yeah.
washroom?
No, don't worry. I'll take it there myself. Good. I love it. I know.
Oh, okay.
I love the way I tell you. I like the bird.
Thank you.
You almost were welcome.
Okay, what's the thing?
All right. Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I think I'm okay now.
Okay. Okay, please I'll ask of my help.
Oh, you know what?
Thank you.
Anything like I'm gonna give you a call. Okay. Sure.
Boss,
Yes, dear.
the receptionist said you were calling.
Yeah. How do you call it? Like, you know, I wanted you to, help me, fix.
Boys, this is, you don't have to beat around the bush. I know what you are about. I know what you're looking for. Like half time, 5,000, and then full time, 10,000.
Sure.
I saw everything. I saw this pan. So if you're ready, game begins.
Come again, like, come again, please. You said half is what?
5,000.
5,000, just 5,000.
Half.
And sleeping with this, like,
Full time, 10,000. Are you ready?
I'm very ready, like, sure.
Money in the hand.
Yeah.
Money in the hand.
Don't worry, like, I'm a big boy, you feel me, like,
no, but I'm ready for the game, so just...
I know, you just lie down, like, I want to enter the washroom and come, you just lie down for me.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Alright, please, can you let me take money? My job is in Towo.
Yes,
Yeah,
sure.
thank you.
I'm waiting.
Alright.
Okay. Hey, this guy thinks he's smart. Anyway, wait. Are you done?
Almost.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Yeah, so can I have the money now? Before you enter.
Is it what?
Yeah, money in the hand.
Oh, like, no.
But,
No, I'm going to sort you, trust me, like, I'm going to sort you out, okay?
no, but in this modern Ghana, you don't expect me to accept what you're saying. You just have to pay me, then we move on.
My dear, let me tell you the truth, okay? Let me tell you the whole truth. It's like, I've exceeded my limit. I can't send Momo now unless, tomorrow.
That's the crap, like... No, I'm not ready for this. Then it seems you're just not ready.
Now, see me, I'm sweating, I'm ready.
Then, where is your money?
Okay, let's do this. Okay, wait. Okay, what of 3 hours? Yes.
3 hours?
Yes, yeah.
Hey, 3 hours, I can see you really want to just do this work. So,
I want to enjoy you.
Let's say 8,000 is cool.
Yeah?
3 hours.
3 hours. 8,000?
8,000.
Like, seriously?
I doubt.
3 hours, just 3 hours.
You're saying just. You're going to do a lot within that 3 hours.
Okay, so let's do this like in 1 minute. And 1 minute, you can just PCC.
What the 7.5?
Now, please, come on. I said 1 minute.
Brother, I don't know. I saw one me bargaining, baby, sir. Pay the thing. Why you don't have money?
Come on, now. You don't can't take a 775 right now. What work you do when they can't take that money right now?
Hey, do you know how much I take during the month?
Somebody rape you before you want to talk like that.
I will rape you.